So now the market cap is sitting now on 1 trillion 21 billion. So we almost falling below 1 trillion. Anything that makes us fall into 1 trillion, I believe we're going to see Red Sea. I believe that so much. And I'm going to analyze that on the chart shortly now so we can understand what is going on in the market. Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful episode on the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazeem and you're watching Bitcoin and Breakfast Show on this channel, Crypto Being 101. And on this platform, we trade it and we don't gamble it. Yesterday we had a great news. ETH was sold for 400 ETH. Oh, I said ETH, sorry, an NFT was sold for 400 ETH. That's about $600 and something thousand. Today, we have other big companies making some gains in the NFT world. This and more is what I'm going to bring to you today. Stick around. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so we can be giving you the gems, or you can be getting the first class information immediately as it drops. Without no further ado, let's check what's going on in the market, and that's checking the news out to know what has been making the headlines. Like we all know, yesterday it was all about NFT. Everybody was just shouting NFT. How could you make such amount on such something like this, making over 400 ETH on something like this? But I told you, that's the market we're in right now. A lot of things will be happening. You just need to be careful and you need to know what project you're putting your money on. If you don't know much about that, you can check our video for the last episode, which is episode 8, and get to understand what happened, how it happened, and more that is going to come to your ears. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazeem and you're so welcome to the show. And now let's dig into the news and see what's going on. First mover, Bitcoin trades sideways. Investors await Fed interest rate signals. IMF's growing link between crypto and Asia stock. You know, I told you yesterday that we're having Fed Powell speech on Friday, and I believe that's what a lot of people are waiting for, and that's why the market has just been ranging between. We're going to get to that, but I believe it's between that 2,800 to 21K or 22K something. So the market has been ranging because of that, and people are patiently waiting for that because we saw what happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dipped, and now it's ranging, and it could continue or get a momentum from there and pull back, or probably we even have a long time trend. So don't forget to be careful while you're in the market and while you're checking out whatever you're doing pertaining trading. Another news making headline is the big company I was talking about. Nike generates over 185 million in NFT sales. Gucci, Adidas trades behind. Data shows. You can see even the big companies now, they are now trying to utilize the world of NFT to make some income or to make profit by now making some of their products an NFT and mint it or sell it to the world. So that's why I say NFT, it's a new space. There's a lot of bubbles, but at the same time, you need to be careful. There are a lot of NFT that are just garbage out there, and you don't need to put your money on it. So for you not to do that mistake, you need to subscribe to this channel where we enlighten you and we show you what is good, what is nice, and stuff like that. So if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. Like, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to get our content as it drops. The leading athletic apparel company Nike has surpassed many prominent names with its NFT sales this year. According to the latest stat, Dolce & Gabbana, Tiffany, Gucci, and Adidas are reaping millions from NFT, but it's Nike that tops the chart. You can see what's happening in NFT. So let's check the next one, which this is big. And this next news It's always, I don't know, I've experienced so many times. And that's why I think I need to do another video to teach you on how to choose a broker, to choose an exchange, or to choose an NFT platform or metaverse where you can do your project. Because there's another thing from knowing the project. There's another thing of where you're trading it. It matters. Coinbase slapped with another lawsuit for crashing during market volatility. Coinbase is being sued by one of its customers for failing to keep its customer account accessible in period of high market volatility. Acting on behalf of all Coinbase wallets, the account holder Plenty George Kutala alleges that the exchange does not properly employ standard practice to keep customers' account secure, which is true. I've experienced so many exchanges platform whereby you place a trade when there's high volatility, probably you set a stop loss, the market is supposed to kick you out, you will find out you were not able to kick out because that probably they'll say there's no order and stuff like that. And that's why sometimes when you trade with the brokers, a good broker, they take the order themselves because you've already set it and they have to do that. But some exchanges, they don't do that. And if that doesn't happen, it could liquidate your account, it could put you in a big loss, and many more like that. So you need to be careful and you need to always watch your trade. And that's why you need to subscribe to this channel, because we'll be guiding you how you can even trade and leave minimum amount you need to use to trade. In case such thing happens, you know you are even still safe. But imagine you have your $100,000 in your account, you put a stop loss at $5,000 and the stop loss was not activated and the market crashed down more. Now you're going to be in deep or more loss. But let's say now we tell you when you're taking such trade, put so amount in your account. If the stop loss hit, fine. If it doesn't hit and liquidate you, you are still safe. You can see how valuable this channel is going to, how valuable this channel is, and how good information you'll be getting from this channel, because this and more are what we're going to be dropping on this channel. And you need to subscribe so you can be the first to get it, and you be educated and have a clear picture of what you're doing in the world of crypto. Okay, I think that's the major news I have for you today, talking about the Coinbase being sued, talking about Nike making a lot of money, and talking about Fed speech that will be happening on Friday. So without no further ado, let's check the fundamental news as usual, as we always bring to you, so you can know what to prepare yourself for in the market. Today we're going to have core durable good orders, we're going to have penny home sales. Not that important, but they're important. You need to check them out. Tomorrow we're going to have ECB monetary policy meeting. That's important. We're going to have employment claim. That's important. And we're going to have Jackson or Simpson this in all day. That's on Thursday as well. And on Friday is when we're going to be expecting RBNZ government speech, core PC price index, Fed Powell speaks. That's very important. And we're still going to be having Jack Hall Simpson as well. Symposium, sorry. So without no further ado, let's check what's been happening in the market. As we all see, the market cap has been dropping. And we're going to check the fear and greed out to know, because when the market cap is dropping, that's when a lot of people are scared. And when a lot of people are scared, that's when you need to bag a lot of assets. But you don't just buy, you need to have the experience, you need to have the knowledge, you need to know what you're doing. Because if you don't know what you're doing and you're just buying, you are gambling. And trading is not gambling. You understand? Crypto is not a scam. You just need to be informed. You just need to have the right channel where you get good information. Something like this where you'll be getting the first class information. We tell you how it is because we've been in the market for some time. So you need to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you can get all these to your ears every day. So now the market cap is sitting now on 1,021 billion. So we almost falling below 1 trillion. Below 1 trillion. Anything that makes us fall into 1 trillion, I believe we're going to see Red Sea. I believe that so much. And I'm going to analyze that on the chart shortly now so we can understand what is going on in the market. The volume that have been traded for the past 24 hours, it's been 70 billion. 70 billion. Bitcoin dominance still sits at 40% as I'm talking to you right now. So it's still the king, still dominating the crypto space, but it keeps dropping. Let's quickly check let's quickly check what's the market has been doing. Bitcoin is sitting on 21,341 and it has dropped 11% in 7 days, 31% in 24 hours, 41% in 1 hour. No, appreciated, in 1 hour. Then ETH has dropped 14% in 7 days, appreciated about 0.84 in 24 hours, 0.66 in 1 hour. Let's check XRP. XRP has dropped 11% in 7 days, 0.65% in 24 hours, and we're looking at almost 50%, 0.50% in 1 hour. You can see Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Shiba Inu dropped 19% in 7 days. You see, that's why I told you last time that I've not put my money on them because I'm still waiting for the right time to load my bags. And if you want to know that, when to jump into the market, when not to be in the market, when to buy, when to sell, when to sit back and relax and enjoy your cup of coffee or your juice or your good wine, you need to subscribe to this channel so you know when to take action. And if you want to know much about trading, you want to know much about investing, you want to know much about what is going on in the NFT space, crypto space, metaverse, and other things that's happening in the world of crypto and trading, you need to subscribe to this channel now. Subscribe right now, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you can get the first class information immediately as we're dropping it for you. All right, without no wasting time, let's check some cryptos doing under 100, which we can see the coin under 100. Wow, Celsius dropped 41% in 7 days, 70% in 24 hours, but it's kind of doing well in the last 1 hour, 0.63%. Celsius is back to 1.4, and you know what happened to Celsius? They've been having issues about bankruptcy, liquidity, and problems like that. We talk about them in our previous episode. You can go back and check them out and know what to do. Yen Finance is back on number 102, which has dropped about 18% in the last 24 hours, in the last 7 days, and 0.47% in the last 7 days. It has appreciated, and 1.62% in the last 1 hour. So these are coins and other coins below top 100. So let's check the chart out right now. Let's see, are we taking trade? Are we buying now? Are we selling now, or what? Like I told you, on this channel, we've been showing you how we're making our profit, how we're making about 200% profit, 500% profit on this show, even close to 1,000. That's 10x. On this show, it's been happening, and we've been showing you. You can check all our videos out, you'll see it. So that's why this is a valuable channel. And there's no channel like this that shows you, that gives you information, that brings everything to you free of charge. All you just need to do is subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you can get what's going on. And tell a friend, tell our friend to tell a friend, tell your brothers, sisters to subscribe so we can all win together and become crypto millionaire, crypto billionaire. So let's check out the chart right now. On the lower time frame, I can see right now that since yesterday that I told you the structure was formed around there, and now I was expecting this, so I took a trade here yesterday, and I think I make about 300% to this point. Then when I saw the squeezing, I had to leave the market. So right now, if you may ask me what's happening in the Bitcoin right now, with my analysis and my strategy, we have our first movement to be our first yellow, we have our second yellow, we are waiting for the third yellow to happen. So I believe Bitcoin should move ahead, and when you check it from here, you can see that this point didn't break this point. we makes it a double bottom, over here to a double bottom. And right here now, this is just some manipulation, just to squeeze it in, bring it up, bring it down, but you need to be careful. Like I told you yesterday, you can put a buy above 21,500 thereabout, and if you put a buy now, definitely your trade must have been activated, and you don't need to be scared, because you need to put a sell below here, below this 28 or 896. This is where you need to put a sell. As far as we're seeing this middle, I still believe Bitcoin is still going to move. And let me show you, so you can know that I do what I say. I have a trade I took as a workup. I just took a trade just to see what's going on. My phone is loading. I'll show you quickly. So I believe as far as we didn't break here, we are not going to see Bitcoin dipping down yet. But if you break this zone, you need to stick to the channel, because I'm going to record or show you what you need to do immediately. But I believe it's still a buy. I still have a buy in the market. You can see I'm on 35% already. I'm on 35% already with the trade I took around this point just this morning before the show. So I believe market should still pull up, and my stop loss will be here. And don't forget to use your risk management, so you can secure your investment and you don't lose your money. So I believe Bitcoin is still ranging, not bullish, not bearish, but it starts from somewhere. So right now I believe if we don't break this zone, we can see Bitcoin pulling ahead before the first speech on Friday, or we just see it going up. I take some profit, I wait for it to come down again, I buy again, just the ranging. And when Bitcoin is ranging like that, is that I come down or it goes up. So stick to the channel, I'm going to give you more of that. So let's quickly check ETH and see what's going on ETH USD. Let's see what's going on ETH USD. You know, I told you yesterday that ETH2 was a buy because the structure is being formed. Until we break 1520, that's when I can confidently say you can put a short on ETH. But as far as the structure is building up like this, you can still leave a long if you have it. But don't forget, use your risk management. But ETH is still looking good, even though it's moving slowly. But that's how it is. Sometimes it moves slowly and you have that big move. So you need to be careful. So on ETH, you can put a short below 152, but if you have a buy, like I told you yesterday to buy, you can still leave it because the structure is still forming. Until we break the structure, have a retest, now coming down, then you can leave the market. If you don't know much about trading, you don't know much about investment, or you don't understand what I'm saying, go to instacashfx.com now, www.instacashfx.com, and subscribe, or no, not subscribe, apply for free training so you can have a knowledge of what we're talking about, and you can know where to put your money, how to trade, how to invest, what's happening in the crypto space, in the NFT space, in the metaverse space, and a whole lot more concerning trading, crypto, and investment. Let's quickly check, like we normally do every day. We'll pick one altcoin and check it out quickly. Let's check ADA USD today. ADA USD today. Yeah, okay. ADA USD is still ranging, but it's more of a like the chart of Bitcoin, because we have the down below at 0.43 and we have structure being formed at this. So if you're buying ADA, I think it's not still bad, but you use your risk reward, and at the same time, I don't think you should sell now. If you want to sell, make sure we're having a break below 0.43. So if you want to know more about the chart, stick to the channel. We'll be dropping a depth index, a deep in-depth into the chart analysis on our Let's Trade It segment, where we dissect all the charts and give you full information on it. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, and thanks for hanging with me till this time. So before we go, let's check what's happening. The fear and greed. The fear and greed is something that determines how sentiment people are in the market, and we can see that now. For today, it's extreme fear. And what did I say? When there's an extreme fear in the market, that's when you need to load your guns, because when people are scared to buy, that's when you need to buy. When people are scared to sell or are being greedy, they don't want to sell, that's when you should sell. That's just the nature of the market. But when you subscribe to the channel or go to our academy, you know more about it. So the fear and greed for today is sitting on 25, and it's under extreme fear. So let's quickly check what's trending. What's trending in the world of crypto? Elon Musk is trending. Crypto is trending, and a whole lot more. Nothing much to say. Bitcoin is always trending because everybody's waiting for the news and to know what they're going to do. All right. Shout out to our sponsor, Instacash FX, for staying with us, sponsoring the show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show on this channel, and we really appreciate their support. If you want to sell, you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to sell Bitcoin, you want to learn how to trade, you want to do anything pertaining trading, crypto and all that, go to www.instacashfx right now and place your trade. They're reliable, they're fast, they're efficient. When it comes to training, they have good tutors that are going to lecture you, they're going to make you understand what you need to do in the market. So thank you so much. I think that's what I have for you this morning. And if you've not subscribed, go to our channel right now. You can see it. It's Crypto Bean 101. Subscribe, watch the videos, like, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel, because this is going to be the biggest channel in Africa, if not in the world. I bet you that, because what we give you on this show, it's nothing but value. 100%. So I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazin, and this is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show episode 9. You can see now we're on episode 9. So if you've not seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you need to go back and check the videos, because we're dropping good information that will benefit you. Until I catch you next time on this beautiful show of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, stay safe, stay out of trouble, and I'll bring more information, more value, more gems, more chart analysis to you next time on this beautiful show. Thank you.